Okay, here we are. We just purchased a brand new Cougar lawnmower because the other one over there, 42 years old, has finally stopped working, unfixable, according to me. So we've got a new mower. Sam's going to put some fuel in now. Sam, the fuel. We've just put oil in because you have to put oil in these ones. They don't come with oil. You all right, Olivia? That's exciting.
Yeah.
We've assembled it all. We've read the instructions over there, and it should be starting. Alright, Libby, you hold the camera and you get us in the camera, in the picture.
Okay.
Okay, there's petrol everywhere. We have to pump it 3 times.
Dad's new camera. Well, Dad's new lawnmower. I'm terrible at this.
You pump it 3 times? Would you like to have the honours of me? Okay, we bolted it all together. Let's see how it works. That's a good sign.
Paru.
It's a 4-stroke mower, so it's harder to start actually.